How to deactivate Threads account without deactivating Instagram account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Threads app. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile page right here. Once you do that, click on the two lines at the top right corner, then click on account, and here click on deactivate profile. Once you are on this page right here, this is kind of a confirmation window where you will get some information on what will happen when you deactivate your profile. And at the bottom, you will see the button to deactivate your Threads profile. And if you see, it tells you that this will not affect your Instagram account, meaning that if you deactivated your Threads profile, your Instagram account will be will stay the same. It will not be deactivated, which is what you want. So go ahead and click on that option, and once you do that, your Threads account will be deactivated on its own, and it will not affect your Instagram profile, which is what you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can deactivate Threads profile only and not your Instagram account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.